Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to undo send settings. To undo send settings, first click on browser. Go to gmail.com. Enter your email. Enter your password. Click on next button. Now your Gmail has been successfully logged in. To undo send settings, first click on settings. Click on general. Here you can see undo sends. Click on enable undo sends. Set your time. Within the time you set, after you hit the send button, you can avoid the sending process and that person will not receive the email. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.
Yeah.